afternoon. How are you all today? I've had quite a nice quiet morning, not doing very much at all. Whereas she's been out there everywhere and everywhere. Well, I've been a bit busy. That's why I look like this. Oh, lovely. Oh, what's wrong with you? You normally insult me. Well, one of those days. One compliment in a while never hurts, does it? Suppose not. Anyway, let's get back to introducing you to my friends. Now, this next one, I'm not really sure they are my friend because we can't really work out who they are and where they came from. Well, no, they haven't got a name, have they? And we're not really sure what sort of animal they are. No, so we're still asking if you recognise what sort of breed of bird she is or he is, let us know. Okay. Bird, where are you? Here's bird. Hello, bird.
Hello, hello, hello.
Why do you say everything 3 times?
I don't know.
Not really sure about bird, are we yet?
Oh. I like you, Theta. I like you, Theta. I like you, Theta.
Thank you. Okay, so this is bird. We'll say bye-bye for now.
Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You don't speak like that. Oh, no, I don't. Bye-bye.